It's hard sometimes talking about stuff. I think honestly, one of the attributes of our meta culture is, man, there's a lot of judgment and shame. It's like there's a right way, there's a wrong way. There's good guys, there's bad guys. We're always judging somebody. And I think, in this day and age, because as I mentioned earlier, they found something that sells better than sex, and it's outrage, that we are enculturated through social media platforms and everything else, mainstream media, to always be outraged. Shoot, when you walk into the Walmart, you are going to see Democrats and Republicans, and they're all normal people. And you can trust them all to be as decent as normal people are, right? But man, when you are watching TV or looking at your social media feed, it's like those people. And then we're outraged, followed by whatever the outrage is depending on the echo chamber that you're listening to. It is so unhealthy. And so we have to be aware that they are doing that because they want clicks and shares, and because they want us numbed out and not actually seeing our shared humanity, because that's where change starts to happen. So, as a result, it becomes especially difficult to talk about, just cultural difference or diversity. In fact, literally, there are whole states that have banned the use of the word diversity. It is weird. Like, what? I can't talk about the fact that some of my grandkids are different from each other? At least not in a school. Who's against diversity? You're against your own grandkids. Come on. It's not a four-letter word. It's not a problem. We can get along. We can figure this out. In fact, if we can't figure out how to get along, how can we expect the kids to do it? If we can't get the adults literally not to throw chairs at each other, how can you expect the ninth graders in the school lunchroom not to throw chairs?